Hi guys, my name is Michael and this is channel not just for the PS Vita fans. Welcome! Yesterday, out of blue, without any warning or hype, there was another exceptional PS Vita port released out of hands of our great PS Vita ambassadors Rin and Flo. This way I would like to also dedicate a massive thanks to them for all the hard work and for their great support of our favorite discontinued handheld, the PS Vita. Thanks again guys, it's really hard to believe what can be done by two enthusiastic fans. Keep it up and thumbs up. So in today's video I would like to quickly go through the setup process. It is pretty straightforward like usually, and later I will focus on my first impressions of this port. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, let's get the setup process out of the way. As you can see, this is a wrapper/port of Battlefield Bad Company 2 Android for PS Vita. The port works by loading the official Android ARM v6 executable in memory, resolving its imports with native functions and patching it in order to properly run. So basically it works like every other Android PS Vita port, like GTA San Andreas or Max Payne. In order to properly install the game, you'll have to follow these steps precisely. You can find the link for the setup guide in the description below. I would recommend following the guide. First step, install the plugins, obviously, Kubridge and FD_fix. You can also overclock your PS Vita with PSV I didn't and it worked fine, so this is an optional step. Next step, get the game files from Amazon store. This one is a bit tricky as I couldn't find any Bad Company 2 in my Amazon App Store. You might find it like in official Amazon tablets or something, but I've just installed the Amazon App Store on my Galaxy S9 and it just isn't there. Therefore, I did obtain it by other means. The problem I faced though was that there were no OBB files in the main game folder. And as we really need those, we have to find a way to make it work even without the OBB files. By usual trial and error method, I found out the easiest way to achieve it is simply to copy and paste the whole BC2 folder of the Android game inside your UX0 data/BC2 folder on your PS Vita. There are a bunch of .pack files, like 11 of them in total. You can see my folder structure on the screen. So yours needs to look the same or very similar to it to make it work. Then you just need to open the APK and extract the libBC2.so inside the UX0 data/BC2 folder on your PS Vita. Last step, install the VPK and enjoy the game. Happy us! Job done! And now all what's left is beat the game into completion and be proud of our achievements. I'm about of getting it done. Now to my first impressions of the Battlefield Bad Company 2 PS Vita port. Quick disclaimer, this is not Digital Foundry focused channel, therefore I will tell you what I'm always telling you. I love this game, thus I love its port as well. It is as simple as that. The graphics are impressive, or at least they were in 2011, not so much now. Nonetheless, the game looks and runs stunning on the PS Vita, and you can have or spend so much good time with it. You might encounter some error along the way that will kick you out of the game, but you can easily carry on where you left off. Remember, this is 1.0 version, hence it cannot be perfect. I used to be a big fan of Battlefield back in the PS3 era. However, I believe this version is different from the original Bad Company 2 on the PS3. I believe it is more reminiscent to the similar first-person shooter mobile games from the 2011-2012 time period, like Near Orbit Vanguard Alliance 2, which is an excellent game, maybe a bit too linear and not so much open world, but hey, what would you expect from 2011 mobile game? Certainly not open world. Bad Company 2 PS Vita port is about 600 MB large, so if you fancy these older mobile first-person shooter games, or you're just simply looking for something new to try or install on your PS Vita, I would absolutely recommend getting it sorted, as it is absolutely worth it. It is a great game that is catching its second breath on a brand new platform thanks to all of the devoted homebrew developers. Big up to them. And what do you think about the Battlefield Bad Company PS Vita port, guys? Are you gonna install it? I hope you are not gonna miss your chance. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm certainly gonna get back to playing as soon as I release this video, as that's the priority and my gaming comes second to it. we are coming to the part of the video where I tell you, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other PS Vita enthusiasts. It means a lot to me and to the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to check out our Discord server and follow me on social media. You can now also buy me coffee. All the links are down below. Sub to the channel means you most likely won't miss upcoming content. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Now advance on your own. You'll be more active. Still vulnerable. She be waiting. Well done. Go. Use an ammo crate. Use it to stock up on ammo.